JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill is a combination belt-driven drill press with a milling machine table that allows you to perform a variety of light machining functions for your metalworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to change operating speeds of the JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill. The spindle speed of the product is controlled by step pulleys. In order to change the speed, open the cover to unlock the access door and flip over. The spindle speed belt orientation chart is located on the underside of the belt access door. To change the pulley ratio, loosen the motor tension bolt and pull the motor towards the table. Slide the belt into the desired position. Push the motor towards the back of the machine and retighten the motor tension knob. The mill drill is equipped with an R8 spindle. The drawbar hex can be accessed after the access cover is removed. To replace the drill chuck, you would loosen the drawbar. Learn more about the JET Benchtop 18-inch mill drill on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.